इससे बात करना है, इस तरह से जाना है और ये मेथड से उससे जाके बात करनी है, ये मेरा प्लानिंग प्रोसेस सही है, तो विल आई बी मोर इफेक्टिव, और मैं रैंडमली जाके करूंगा तो मोर इफेक्टिव होगा. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई व्हेन यू क्लियर ऑन दिस, योर इफेक्टिविटी मल्टीप्लाइज एंड देन योर कन्वर्जन एंड इफेक्टिविटी डबल्स. ठीक है, ओके. Then comes the last topic of this need analysis is KEYMAN insurance. KEYMAN insurance is, what do you understand by word KEYMAN? KEYMAN, le chavi banao or manas. Isn't it chavi? Key is the chavi or manas. No, it doesn't gel, right? So what does it mean? KEYMAN insurance, KEYMAN is the person who is very important or instrumental in the success of the organization. The person who is instrumental and important in the success of an organization is called KEYMAN. It could be anyone. It varies from organization to organization. In our institute, Sandeep Kamdar is a key person, right? He is the center of gravity for this organization in terms of either decision making, processes, finances, strategic planning. ये वो सब करने में he is involved into this, right? In his absence, those directions and strategizing the whole path will in dilemma, right? In that case, there is a confusion. In confusion, there is a chaos, and then ultimately the profit is not there. Same, for example, in bank, who is the key person? Bank, the fund manager, the strategic planner, also the guy security guard who is going with the money. जो रक्षक ही यदि भक्षक बन जाए तो क्या होगा? करोड़ों रुपए लेके जाते हैं वो लोग, सारे एटीएम में फील कर रहे हैं, they are putting it into ATMs and then they are protecting with the guns and everything in case there is no robbery which happens on the road. And because of that, the banks are having credibility and function. So each person has a different variety of importance, and accordingly, they are key to the organization in terms of either productivity, either profit, either customer acquisition. So many things. जिससे value add होता है organization में, वो सारे functions को KEYMAN में तब्दील किया जा सकता है. In this insurance, the important thing is company pays the premium, and the life to be insured is the person who is working in the organization, right? So if I am working as a business development head in Arihant, and if I am a key person here, Arihant is paying an insurance premium for me, and they are getting a tax deduction into their books of accounts, and I am enjoying a security. In case something goes wrong with me tomorrow and the loss to the organization is compensated with the insurance money which will come to the organization. It is up to the institute how they treat it. Either they can compensate the loss or they pay to my family as a moral responsibility or a duty. But in turn, that kind of a loss is minimized by taking insurance on this. Nothing part of syllabus, but earlier, up till 2005, KEYMAN insurance was allowed for any of the product. I can take money back or whole life or endowment or any other plan under KEYMAN insurance. But what was happening is organization used to pay a huge premium in the initial year and then used to assign the policy in a personal capacity. Companies were gifting this policy to the employee. So all major premiums and premiums are paid by the company, expenditure are booked into the books of accounts, and with a very nominal value of account value or a cash value of a policy is transferred to the employee, and at future whatever may be the maturity date, जो भी उसका benefit या maturity आती थी वो employee को आती थी, and which is tax free. So that was a huge malpractices which was happening. So now IRDA has mandated that KEYMAN insurance यदि आपको लेना है तो खाली term insurance ही ले सकते हैं. You can take, because term insurance doesn't have any cash value. So आप risk लगता है कि आपके जाने से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को 5 करोड़ का नुकसान है तो आप 5 करोड़ का टर्म इंश्योरेंस ले लीजिए उर्वी के ऊपर, बट कैश वैल्यू वाला प्लान ना लीजिए. सो उससे ये जो सारी माल प्रैक्टिसेस और ये सारा हो रहा था, दैट गॉट स्टॉप्ड एंड दैट्स ended the attraction of KEYMAN insurance, which was very popular till 2005. After that, the percentage of KEYMAN insurance has gone down. Okay. So this is what is all about our need analysis. Okay. So now, up till now, I have explained to the customer what is insurance, how I can insure adequately. आपकी मुझे एनालिसिस या अंडरस्टैंडिंग करनी पड़ेगी. उसके बाद करते हुए मैंने एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट फाइंड कर दिया, उसी एसेट्स और लायबिलिटीज को कंपेयर करते हुए जो भी शॉर्टफॉल आया और उसका मनी कमिटमेंट ले लिया मैंने. सो नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट स्टार्ट्स नाउ. I have sold the problem to him. That is a half job done. But now the second half of the job is, when I have sold the problem, I need to sell a solution also. For providing a solution, I need to know what are the products and mixes which I can define or design to suit the customer scenario for a requirement. Right? तो मुझे solution design करने के लिए भी मुझे प्रोडक्ट्स को समझना बहुत जरूरी है, और कौन सा प्रोडक्ट किस तरह के सेगमेंट में किस लेवल के कस्टमर को सूट होगा वो भी समझना जरूरी है. राइट? सो फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज ऑन अ सॉल्यूशन मोड. राइट? ओके. इन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस there are two kind of a product. There is a par or non-par. Par stands for participating policy, or also it is called as profit sharing plans. Okay. Par is profit sharing, and non-par is non-profit sharing. Okay. Or the full form of par is participatory plan and non-participatory. Okay. Non-par product has term or renewable RLC, renewable and convertible term. Okay. participatory plans are whole life, endowment, money back, whole life, endowment, money back, child plan, pension plans and ULIP. Right? Most of the cases pension or annuity plans doesn't have a life insurance, but there are some plans available in the marketplace whereby insurance is also linked to some extent, right? So that's why I have put it here. Otherwise it can go as a return oriented plan, which is pension, annuities, ULIP. What is the full form of ULIP? Unit linked insurance plan. Unit linked insurance plans are the plan whereby the premium what you pay are converted into a units and the money is invested into the stock market or the funds which is specified as per the plan which you have invested, and whatever may be the returns on the market returns, there is a NAV of the product which is being published and you multiply that NAV by the number of units you are holding and according to the value of your plan goes. So it is linked to the market. A term insurance, RNC, renewable and convertible term.